Before you get upset, I just want to give a brief disclaimer. This video is about the top 5 most profitable niches on YouTube, but it's not your usual top 5 most profitable niches on YouTube kind of video. Okay, so let me explain. I decided to give the video this title because I've watched countless videos in the finance and self-help niches about the top 5 most profitable niches, and they're kind of all the same. As I happen to make content for new creators, I knew I was going to be diving into this subject matter at some point about finding your niche and picking the genre of content that is right for you. So I figured I'd give the video this title because I've watched these videos so many times I know they work. But I'm actually going to put a spin on it, and that's exactly what this video is. So I'm going to be going over the top 5 most profitable niches on YouTube, which you may already know, which is why I'm going to be going a little deeper and actually finding out why these niches are as lucrative as they are, but more importantly, how to actually make any niche profitable for you. So without further ado, let's get started with the top 5 most profitable niches. Number 1 is education. Online learning has become such a major part of the internet and one of the main reasons YouTube even exists. From random tutorials about products online to full-length courses you can find from industry experts. Because of the demand and popularity for finding information online, content creators and industry experts have been able to make million-dollar businesses out of selling their knowledge and expertise about a certain subject through YouTube. This makes it a very wise decision if you have knowledge or expertise in a given field that you want to start creating content about, which can lead to an amazing online business. So if you fancy turning your knowledge and expertise into content for others to learn about, then you can create a very rewarding and profitable venture. On to number 2, which is technology. If you're passionate and maybe slightly materialistic about tech, then this is definitely the niche for you. Creating content around products like iPhone and Samsung unboxing and reviews to testing out different products for the home and smart devices that people find fascinating. With the ever-evolving industry around tech, there are people that are looking for the latest smartphones or for quirky smart gadgets and devices for their homes and around their life. So if you have an interest in technology and especially have the latest phone and want to review the latest phones, then this is definitely a niche to get into. And one of the main reasons that tech is so lucrative as a niche is because people want to find out specific information about it and go in depth to know whether it's the product that they want to buy. And obviously, if you've seen my videos or other videos about engagement and watch time, you know that they are very crucial factors for increased engagement and increased revenue. And finally with tech is that it has a very broad audience. You have the tech enthusiasts that want to know everything about the latest model of a phone or a device, but you've also got people that are just curious to see what new phones are coming out or what quirky gadgets are currently on the market. So if you like technology, then this is a great niche to get into. Thirdly, we have the luxury goods industry. This niche caters to people that love the high-end lavish lifestyle and like luxury holidays and experiences. Advertisers are willing to pay a premium for these highly targeted customers, making it a very attractive niche for content creators. If you have a passion for luxury products or high-end travel and different experiences, then this is definitely a niche where you can turn your passion into profit. Like I've mentioned so far, the luxury niche has a very wide range of products and services available, from luxury items to luxury holidays and experiences. So if you're a fan of that and passionate about the industry, then it's a great niche to get into creating content for. The fourth niche is personal development, which, in my opinion, holds a massive potential for you to turn into a very profitable business. The audience in this niche is always looking for ways to improve themselves and their lives in some way. And because of the immense engagement for this niche, this leads to a very high CPM or cost per mil for you as a creator, making it a very attractive choice if you've been on the personal development journey yourself and maybe want to share your experiences or share insights and knowledge that you've learned along the way, because helping others is a great way to be able to benefit financially in the long run. Finally, we have finance, which may be the most searched in terms of profitable niches. If, like me, you have a passion for personal finance, business and investing, this is a great way to be able to share your knowledge in a very lucrative niche and start a channel around this content that will work very well for you, but also helping others on their personal finance journeys. There's also an interesting loophole here, especially on YouTube with personal finance and finance YouTubers in general, in that when they post income updates, that also adds to their increase in revenue. So every single time they post new income updates, it's more and more and more because they're getting more and more and more views. You see where this is going. But generally just sharing valuable tips and tricks that you've learned on your financial journeys through personal finance, business finance, investing, it can really help others. And it's a great way to turn your passion into profit because it's an extremely lucrative niche and is great for those that want to turn their passion into content on YouTube. So that pretty much sums up the top performing niches in terms of high CPMs and how to get the highest profit per viewer. But like I previously mentioned, I want to dive into why certain niches are as lucrative as they are. What causes niches like affiliate marketing and SMMA to have CPMs ranging from $20 to $30 or more? So firstly, audience demographics play a significant role in this. Advertisers are willing to pay more to target specific groups of people, such as high-income earners or people interested in technology. So targeting these specific demographics can result in much higher CPMs. Secondly, the quality of the video itself is crucial. High quality videos that are extremely engaging and keep high retention rates throughout the entire video are extremely attractive to advertisers. Advertisers value the opportunity to showcase their ads to captivated audiences, leading to much higher CPM rates with such videos. Also, the ad format affects the CPM rates as well. Different formats like skippable versus non-skippable ads affect whether people watch, which affect the type of ads that people want to put on their videos. Advertisers are willing to pay more for the ad format that is the most effective and converts the most people on the videos. So when choosing ad formats, that is extremely important. Also, the time of year affects CPM rates as well. Advertisers are trying to maximize their reach during holiday seasons and during specific events, which can lead to much higher CPM rates during certain periods. Also, the location has an effect on the CPM rates as well. Maybe you live in a certain country where there's a much higher demand for advertisers to target customers in those areas, whereas other countries where the demand just isn't as high. So I do hope that clears things up for you and you can actually get a better understanding of how certain niches have a much higher CPM rate than others and how also other factors affect it as well. Like I mentioned at the beginning, you actually want to find which niche is most profitable for you, which may not be exactly what you expect. When it comes to picking the best niche for you, there's a few things to consider. The first is simply knowing what you're passionate about. If you are interested in something, then you're going to naturally be more engaged to talk about it and share your knowledge and expertise about that given topic. This will make it easier for you to create engaging content around that is importantly authentic, but also satisfying for you to create and viewers to watch. When you're passionate about something, you'll be able to easily come up with ideas for things and share insights and valuable thoughts that you have with your audience and come up with extremely engaging content, and your enthusiasm will shine in your videos. Another thing to consider that's neighboring your passion, or may hopefully be your passion, is your knowledge and expertise. You should select a niche where you have a deep understanding of the topic, where you can make more in-depth videos that are more captivating and engaging for your audience. By providing valuable tips and tricks with your audience and sharing knowledge and insights that you've learned along your journey, you establish yourself as an expert within your industry, which establishes authority and helps you build a much more loyal following. When you are creating content that you have either a passion and or a deep understanding and experience in, like I said, you'll be able to make extremely engaging content, come up with ideas more easily, go in depth, and because of that, people will see you as an expert, which will establish authority with your channel, with you as a creator, and help you grow your channel into a very, very lucrative, profitable business. Anyway, that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful and you can take these notes away and go on to start your channel and talk about your passion or something that you have a lot of expertise in for you to go viral. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and consider subscribing if you want to stay up to date on the latest YouTube tips and tricks to help you continue growing a successful YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking for further support with your channel, whether it is trying to find a niche if you're still a bit confused, or if it's any other part of your channel, then definitely check out the link below where we help monetize creators grow their channel from wherever it is now into a long-term, sustainable, successful YouTube channel. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to find out more tips and tricks on creating a successful YouTube channel, how to make great titles or thumbnails, then definitely check out the links in the description. But otherwise, that's all from me. Thanks for watching.